Do you know that right now, over 1.2 million people are flying above us in airplanes? That's like a whole city floating in the sky. Every day, more than 100,000 flights take off around the world. And at any moment, nearly 10,000 planes are in the air. While you're sitting down, eating, or scrolling, there's a city-sized population traveling through the clouds. Crazy, right? Do you know how many people are flying in the sky right now? Right now, yes, this very second, over 1.2 million people are inside airplanes, flying above the earth. That's like a whole city in the clouds. Every single day, more than 100,000 flights take off around the world. At peak times, there are over 18,000 planes flying in the sky at once. The most flown aircraft in the world? The Boeing 737, used by almost every airline flies, every 1.5 seconds on average. Now here's the money part. Each year, people around the world spend over $900 billion on air travel. That's more than the GDP of many countries. The busiest airport in the world? Atlanta International Airport in the U.S. sees over 100 million passengers every year. And the most expensive ticket ever sold? Over $38,000 for a luxury round trip from New York to Mumbai on Etihad's private suite, called The Residence. So next time you look at the sky, just remember, above those clouds, a flying city is moving at 900 kilometers each. Now you know.